Hello to all of you Hong Kong superfans in Europe. Bonjour tout le monde and welcome to the Sit Back and Sketch Virtual Arts Program hosted by the Hong Kong Tourism Board. This building behind me, it's called the M+, and it's going to be one of the most important buildings in the art area.
Hello.
Hi everyone at home. Good, one should be. It's good.
It's good.
We have our superfan and friend over there right now, Alex, who would like to show us some of the street art, her favorite pieces of street art over there. The Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Center. We've got Art Basel there going on. So, and we have our friend and superfan, Adrienne, over there at HKTB right now.
And I want to let you guys know that Hong Kong is the only Asian city hosting this annual event. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Sam, are you there, Sam? What you've done?
I've done this so far.
Thank everybody that have joined us. I'm just so happy that you're here. All right, show us your work. Thank you again. We will see you in the next Superfan event. Jog in.